Welcome back to my tiny kitchen. Watch this step-by-step video and learn how to make this easy, no-bake, rich and decadent triple chocolate pie. You just need 6 ingredients. This is the recipe for the pie crust. Remember the recipes in the description. For the pie crust, add the Oreos to a zip-top bag. Then think about work and crush the cookies until they have the texture of breadcrumbs. Then add in the melted butter and mix together until the cookies look like wet sand. Add the mix to a pie tin and then spread using a spatula. Use a tumbler to help compact the base. Then place in the refrigerator while making the filling. These are the ingredients for the filling. Remember the recipes in the description. Bring the double cream to the boil and then remove from the heat. Add in the butter, followed by the dark chocolate. Cover the butter and chocolate with cream and wait for about a minute until mixing. Then mix until smooth. Add the filling to the chilled pie crust. Spread and place in the refrigerator while making the chocolate cream topping. These are the ingredients for the chocolate cream topping. It is really easy to make. Simply add all of the ingredients into a bowl and whip until peaks form. Once ready, transfer the chocolate cream into a piping bag fitted with a large star nozzle and pipe on top of the chilled chocolate pie. Garnish the pie with shaved or grated chocolate. Then place in the refrigerator until needed. And there you have it, an easy to make no-bake triple chocolate pie. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next week.